Belmont Residences East is taking shape. It won't be long before you're in your new home. The building of Belmont Residences East is progressing well. Catch a glimpse of the gorgeous fall colors on display. This beautiful nature backdrop will be your view from your home at Belmont Residences East. Direct access to the Galloping Goose Trail and the Victor Chen Memorial Park is conventionally situated between Belmont Residences East and Belmont Residences West. Soon, you will be enjoying the convenience of the Galloping Goose Trail right outside your front door. Perfect for a bike ride in nature, a walk with your dog, or commuting to work. As we move into the winter months, you can feel confident with the construction progress made at Belmont Residences East. Level 5 is moving along. The walls have been sanded, primed, and painted for the first coat. Cabinetry has started being installed. Level 3 and 4 have boarding in progress, as well as the installation of insulation and vapor barriers. Level 1 and 2 are on track with electrical and mechanical, progressing smoothly. Our building elevators are in the process of being installed, along with the exterior railings coming later this month. We can't wait to welcome you to your new home at Belmont Residences East in spring 2022. Subscribe to the #MyBelmontLiving YouTube channel to stay updated on the progress of your home at Belmont Residences East.